All right, here it is, the DJI Avata. This came out just a week ago, and this is the official boxing. Now, the first thing that we're going to show is the FPV bag. Now, I'm pretty sure this is the bag that's already been out for the first version of the FPV drone by DJI. This is their specific bag. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the drone, and as we unbox pieces, we're going to see how they fit into the bag. At least that is the concept, the idea. Looks like a camera bag. Let's start with the motion controller and the goggles. All right. The official unboxing. Let's see. Where do I unbox this thing? Cellophane off. Yeah, for sure. All right. So, looks like there's a seal across the top here. Let's see if there's... Oh, it slides off. Woo. Clink. Silly. So there should be two boxes here. One is the drone and one is the FPV goggles. Obviously, you're going to have to stick around to the end of the video. That's when we'll do the drone. So here are the goggles and the motion controller. See that, Jay? This is my 6-year-old son, James. Say hi, Jay.
Hi.
Hello, world.
Hey.
Hey, there you go. There we go. Okay.
Oh, we don't need to use it anyway.
Now. All right. Okay, what's next? Now the green tab?
Yeah, maybe.
You think so? Oh, there it is. Okay, you pull that. Boom. Now what? Okay, you do the honors. Lift it up.
Oh.
Goggles. All right, so here's the FPV goggles.
Yep, two.
And are these sealed completely? Oh, if you pull that, it's glued on. Yep. These are small, these goggles. Everything I've seen from like older stuff, other FPV goggles I've seen on like YouTube, the goggles are huge. But what? These, oh my goodness. These are going to be awesome.
I can't see anything.
Because they're not on this year. All right, what's in here? Let's check this out.
Cool.
Oh, looks like we got a couple of lens guards. The antennas.
Oh, these are controls.
There's adjustments, yeah, there's controls. All right, so a couple of lens pieces. There's a left and a right. Not sure exactly what these are, but we'll figure it out and we'll update you and let you know exactly what that's for.
And go. Oh, you can also go on the TV.
Maybe. That was something that I was looking at. I was looking at to see if the FPV goggles could be used for entertainment and not just flying the drone.
Yeah.
And I'll also figure that out and let you guys know in the future.
Yeah.
Oh. Can you imagine flying a drone just like a jet fighter? That's what I'm excited about.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's the connector for your goggles. Go to your battery. All right, so here is the battery for the goggles. And here's the cable to go to the batteries. And here's the strap. Let's unpack this. What is this? Oh, looks like USB to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. Next thing, fly more kit. What's up, stinker pinker? Okay, I need your help. Pull it. All right, so the Avata comes with one battery, just like any drone. But now we're going to expand it with 2 more batteries. Nope, that's the charging ports. Those are the charging ports. It's totally different than what we're used to, right? Charging hub open. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
That is sick, man. That is totally different.
Sick.
Can I see that?
So sick.
So it looks like this just goes right into here.
Oh my gosh.
Well, there you go. Interesting.
Yeah.
So it's got room on here for 4 batteries. I got 3 now, so I'd have to buy an extra battery. They're not cheap, man. And of course, it doesn't come with a charging brick, just like a lot of things these days. So I had to order the charging brick separate. Everything's like a la carte these days. All right, let's check this out. Oh wow, this is big.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh that's quite
That's
heavy.
pretty big.
Mhm.
So that is going to plug directly into your wall
Mhm.
right here. And then you've got your USB-C here to plug in. Oh, it's got an orange. I don't know if you can see that, but it's orange on the inside. That is a trip. And that plugs into the end here. And you got your charging brick. Very time for the big reveal.
The drone.
The drone.
I'm gonna just peel off.
Let's do that. Now I know it was discussed that this drone might be modular. I think that was the word. Hold on a sec. Can I see?
Yeah.
That might be the word that was thrown around. Modular. Oh, I see. We just need to undo the packaging on the outside first. Modular, which means you can, damage the drone, pieces of it, and then DJI is going to have replacement parts that you can order, and that you can then replace yourself. And in fact, I actually you want to peel that off? Go ahead and just pull that. I actually ordered the roll cage. I'm not sure what you'd call it. They call it the upper frame. See it there? Upper frame, upper frame, upper frame, upper frame. And so being modular means that you can essentially unscrew these pieces as they break, take them off. Oh, careful. Take them off and be able to replace them yourself. Wow, that is cool.
Can we please open them?
Yep, for sure.
Yeah. You being made by this. I think.
So there we go. There is the frame. That gives you a little perspective
Looks like a
on
bridge.
how small this drone is.
Looks like a bridge.
And then here's the screws.
Yeah.
Right here, the mounting screws. Now it's time for the drone. Let's do the drone. Take all these little pieces out. I'll leave that in there. That's trash at the end of the day. We're 1 second away from unboxing the drone. Hold on. Yeah, we're so close. You got to keep them in suspense till the very end, man. Let's open these boxes, these packages. Go ahead and open them.
I don't know if I can even could.
Here are the replacement blades. Look how small the blades are.
Yeah, oh,
The
whoa.
propellers, the props,
Let me feel them.
tiny, and they feel very like paper thin.
Yeah.
Man. And here's the hex key in order to unscrew them, and the mounting screws. So we want to keep these intact. I think we'll just keep these in the package. Okay.
Yes.
What is that?
Yeah.
Is that for charging?
That, I think it is for charging. Ah, yes.
It is. It totally is. So another USB-C cable. I got a lot of these now, all of a sudden laying around. And the charging dock. All right, time for the drone. Drum roll, please.
Slice it open.
Slicing dice. Okay, you can pull it open.
Make sure
6-year-old
when you
man.
get it, to slide the drone first.
Oh. Okay, slide it out your way. And revealed. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that.
It has battery right in there.
That
It's
is
heavy.
awesome. It is. It is heavy, huh?
How do you open
That's the gimbal guard. Oh, that's easy. Oh man, you guys, this is impressive. This is amazing. This is tiny.
Yeah.
It's tiny. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh,
The
boo.
lens on that.
Boo. I can't wait to fly this thing. We're gonna make a
I
video
know,
flying this.
right? Now,
Yeah,
for some of you, you might be wondering, okay, how big is that? I mean, I don't know how big Jeff's hands are, how small they are, how big his 6-year-old's hands are, how small they are. So what I did is I actually brought my Mini 3 right here. So that gives a little perspective here. And also the Mini 2. So if you're looking at from the camera above, you can actually see, let's take this out. So the Mini 3 Pro. Oh, there we go. And then get a little perspective on the size of the drone. Here's the Mini 3 Pro, wide open. and the Avata. So looking at it from above, it's not much smaller of a footprint. You put the Mini 3 Pro on top. Let's check it out. Put the Mini 3 Pro on top of it. You can see that from above on the camera. The Mini 3 Pro actually has a larger footprint than the Avata. Cinewhoop, that's what they call it. That's what they're calling it. The Cinewhoop. Let's look at the Mini 2. Yeah. Wow. It's right in there. That's a small drone. That's a tiny drone, huh, Jay?
Yeah.
Well, I'm super excited to get these batteries charged up and go on a flight.
Yeah.
Now let's see how what is it?
We're gonna do a video of it on Saturday.
Yeah, cool.
So stick around.
Let's see how it fits in the bag. So the drone itself here. I'm gonna have to watch a video on how this even goes together. Like, I'm not even sure. Like, would the drone just simply go there? Like, that's crazy. Just fit right there. Goggles go here. The motion controller, which is completely amazing, goes here like a fighter jet. Our charging hub, because I'm not even entirely sure. You got the battery for your goggles. You've got the charging brick. Guess that could go in here. Got all your cables. All right, she fits. Well, there you have it, the unboxing of the DJI Avata. Well, now it's time to go fly it. You ready to go fly? All right, let's do that. If you want to watch our first flight, you can click or tap on the next video.
On Saturday.
Let's fly. That's good, right? Okay, that's done.